This is a concept test in trigonometry, properties of triangle. Go through all the statements and write your answers by passing the video and then verify your answers. First one, in any triangle ABC, sine rule. A upon sine A equal to B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C equal to 2R, where R is the circumradius of the circumcircle of triangle ABC. Second, cosine rule. A square equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Projection rule. A equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Fourth one, tangent rule. B minus C upon B plus C equal to tan of B minus C by 2 into tan A by 2. Next, second problem, first bit. Sigma A cube sine of B minus C. This, if you simplify, you can prove it as 0. Sigma A cube into cos of B minus C will be 3ABC. So these are the problems, but still you can remember it as the formulas. Next, Apollonius theorem. In triangle ABC, AD is the median. Then we can write as AB square plus AC square equal to 2 times of AD square plus BD square. Next, MN theorem. In triangle ABC, AD divides BC in the ratio of m is to n, and angle BAD equal to alpha and angle CAD equal to beta and angle ADC equal to theta. Then we can write as m plus n into cot theta equal to m cot alpha minus n cot beta. One more is m plus n into cot theta equal to n cot B minus m cot C. Check few more concepts relating to half angle formulae and area of triangle ABC under these conditions. Half angle formulae, sin A by 2, square root of S minus B into S minus C upon BC, where S is the semi-perimeter of triangle ABC. Cos A by 2, root of S into S minus A upon BC. Tan A by 2, ratio of sin and cos, that is square root of S minus B, S minus C upon S into S minus A. Yeah. In terms of area of triangle ABC also we can write. So this you can rewrite as delta upon S into S minus A, or even you can have one more formula, S minus B into S minus C upon delta. That is using the Heron's formula. Next, area of triangle ABC. Number 1, using the base and height. That is half into base A and height H. Using two sides and included angle. Half BC sin A R, half CA sin B R, half AB sin C. Next, using the sides A comma B comma C and circumradius R. Delta equal to ABC upon 4R. Next, using the angles A comma B comma C and circumradius R. So area of triangle delta equal to 2R square sin A sin B sin C. Heron's formula. Square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is the semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C by 2 equal to S. Next, using in radius and semi-perimeter S, in radius R. So delta equal to R into S. In triangle ABC, R denotes in radius of in circle and I denotes in center, and x radii of x circles of triangle ABC are denoted by R1, R2 and R3. Now, so go through the statements and then try to write the formulas. After that, you can verify. So formulas relating to in radius R using delta and S. R equal to delta upon S. Next, using angles A comma B comma C and R equal to small r equal to 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Using tan function, R equal to S minus A tan A by 2. Similarly, we can write as S minus B tan B by 2, S minus C tan C by 2. Next, in this figure, triangle ABC, AI, BI, CI are the angle bisectors, and ID, IE, IF are the perpendicular to the sides from the incenter. Then the length of AF is S minus A, length of BD S minus B, length of CE S minus C. And length of AI, that is distance of the vertex A from the incenter, R cosecant A by 2, that is in terms of in radius. In terms of circumradius also we can write using the formula small r equal to 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Then the length of AI becomes 4R sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Next, formulas relating to the x radii R1. R1 equal to delta upon S minus A. Next, R1 formula in terms of the angles 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. Next, using the tan function, R1 equal to S tan A by 2, R2 equal to S tan B by 2, R3 equal to S tan C by 2. Try to write few more formulas relating to in radius, x radius, and length of median, length of altitude, length of angle bisector. R into R1 into R2 into R3 is delta square. 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 equal to 1 upon R. R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 equal to S square. R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R equal to 4R, where capital R is the circumradius. R into R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus S square equal to AB plus BC plus CA. Cos A plus cos B plus cos in terms of in radius and circumradius. 1 plus small r upon capital R. This is very important formula, you should remember. Next, length of median. AD equal to half of root of 2b square plus 2c square minus a square. Length of altitude AD equal to 2r sin B sin C. One more formula in terms of area of triangle is 2 delta upon A. Length of angle bisector AD equal to 2BC upon B plus C into cos A by 2. Pedal triangle. In acute triangle ABC, AD, BE and CF are the altitudes and H is the orthocenter. Then try to write the angles of the pedal triangle DEF as well as length of sides, and what about the conclusion about the orthocenter and ratio of circumradius of triangle DEF to circumradius of triangle ABC, and distance of the vertex A from the orthocenter in terms of circumradius. So in the triangle DEF, angle D equal to pi minus 2a and angle E equal to pi minus 2b pi minus 2c. Next, length of the sides EF equal to a cos A R. Using the sine rule, A equal to 2R sin A. So this you can also write as R sin 2A. Next, FD B cos B C cos C, R FD equal to R sin 2B and D equal to R sin 2C. Now, the orthocenter of triangle ABC becomes the in center of pedal triangle DEF. Next. The circumradius of triangle DEF will be half of the circumradius of triangle ABC. So the ratio will be 1/2. Next. Distance of the vertex A from the orthocenter is 2r cos A. Go through a few more concepts. Distance between the circumcenter and incenter. And if a circle is inscribed in a quadrilateral, then relation between the sides. Formula relating to area of cyclic quadrilateral and regular polygon. So the distance between the circumcenter and incenter of the triangle ABC SI equal to square root of capital R square minus 2 small r capital R, where small r is the in radius, capital R is the circumradius. Next, the relation between the sides is sum of the lengths of the opposite sides will be equal. That is A plus C equal to B plus D. Using the length of the tangents, we can prove it, because the length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Next, area of cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, whose side lengths are ABCD, is delta equal to square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, S minus D, where S is the semi-perimeter. So 2S equal to A plus B plus C plus D. Next, product of the lengths of the diagonals AC and BD in a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, which is the Ptolemy's theorem. So product of the length of diagonals equal to sum of the products of the opposite sides, that is AC plus BD. Okay. So in a regular polygon of n sides with side length A and a small r is the radius of the in circle and a capital R is the radius of the circumcircle, then O is the center. So area of regular polygon delta equal to half n A R, because there will be n triangles will be formed, and the angle at the center O made by this side will be 2 pi by n, and each angle will become pi upon n. So using trigonometry, you can derive the formulas as capital R and small r. Capital R becomes a by 2 cosecant of pi by n, and a small r equal to a by 2 cot of pi by